I think the biggest revelatory moment was just when I was like, you know what, I can do this. This doesn't require me to be like, have tons of money in the bank or years under my belt. We can do this. Just follow the system. And I'm honestly amazed at how, I don't want to use the word easy, although it hasn't been necessarily hard. There are hard things in life. But how streamlined and how just the way the whole system flows and how well it works overall.
Would you agree that if you put in a little bit of work on the front end, it's easy results on the back end?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Tell me about that. You went through our 5-day challenge. You trusted the process. You did exactly what we said. Did we charge you anything to jump in the 5-day?
Not a penny.
How fast did you get your first lead and contract your first deal?
I had my first lead within the day I finished day 5 of the 5-day challenge, honestly. Maybe the morning before. I don't remember, but hey, And I contracted my first deal today, actually, which is probably about a week since the 5-day challenge. I don't know, when was it?
Yeah, it's okay. We don't need date specifics. It's been about a week. I mean, it's been 6 days. Technically 6 days. If you look at it like that, it's been 6 days. Crazy part about it is have we let you down or let you just swim all by yourself?
Never, no. It's great. You've honestly and truly been the most resourceful and, attentive mentor that I've ever come across online or otherwise. Seriously. So I would just say overall, if you're on the fence, just don't be, because when you think about the risk to reward, it's just absolutely astronomical. You pay $100, $150 to learn from the best in the business, which that alone is insane. And then out of that, you turn around and you start closing contracts for like 10K, 20K, like, come on. Like, yeah.
We did the numbers together and you got a home run, your first deal. Now that doesn't happen every single time, but you got a home run. Like, you stand to make, the national average is between 7,000 and 8,000. Like, when you close this deal, what do you think we're going to make on this deal? I'm not taking a penny of your dollars. Like, what are you going to make on this deal?
Yeah, well, so if all my numbers are right, and they should be, there's low end, I'll make like 14, 15,000.
Wait, say that again. On the low end, you'll make what?
14 to 15,000.
And on the high end, if you get everything that you think you can get, what do you think you make?
Okay, if we get like 0.8% AVR, then actually ARV, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm still new to this,
Hey, that's okay. That's why we're doing this. Like, even somebody new with no experience can do this. So if you get the highest, like 0.8% ARV, like, what does that look like? How much are you going to make?
That's looking like 25,000.
Holy cow. Would $25,000 change your life today, Patrick?
Without question.
Oh, I love it.
Every aspect of my life would change.
I love it. All right, you guys, I got to wrap. I know Patrick's got another contract or email he's got to send out to get this other property sold. He's got multiple properties under contract. You guys, if you're on the fence or even remotely thinking about getting into real estate, wondering, oh, I need money, or, oh, I need a license, Patrick, you told me, like, you're into art. Like, this was not your thing.
I'm just, I'm overwhelmed. It's all truly a blessing. Really, that's the only word for it.